Hello everyone, welcome to a personalized episode of Enlighten Me. Today we'll delve into the controversial method of geoengineering, explore the latest developments in electric vehicles, and uncover the growing integration of artificial intelligence in businesses. Get ready for an engaging discussion on these fascinating topics that are shaping our world. Geoengineering has resurfaced with a controversial method involving adding magnesium hydroxide to oceans to bond with carbon dioxide, potentially increasing seawater alkalinity and CO2 absorption. This approach, theorized to combat reduced ocean alkalinity and aid shellfish survival, doesn't directly reduce atmospheric CO2. Planetary Technologies, a Canadian firm, has explored this, receiving significant funding and recognition, including the CDR X Prize Milestone Award. However, their approach raises concerns over feasibility and environmental impact. Magnesium hydroxide production carries a carbon debt, and its global availability is limited. Planetary Technologies initially focused on magnesium hydroxide, but is now exploring using mining waste to create alkaline substances for oceanic use. The viability of this method, including economic and ecological implications, remains questionable. Concerns also exist about the potential environmental harm from mining waste byproducts. This discussion highlights the complex challenges and ethical considerations in geoengineering, underscoring the need for careful assessment and governance in tackling climate change. Conventional fixed-bottom offshore wind turbines aren't feasible in deep waters, limiting potential sites like the U.S. West Coast. The U.S. Department of Energy stresses the importance of floating wind farms for coastal cities, which could create thousands of jobs. However, floating turbines cost 50% more than fixed-bottom ones. To be competitive, costs need to drop by over 70% to around $45 per megawatt-hour by 2035. The Bureau of Ocean Energy Management's heat map shows some parts of the Oregon coast nearing competitive costs. Acre Solutions, transitioning from oil and gas to renewables, presents a starfish-shaped undersea cable configuration called Subsea Collector, promising up to 10% savings for large wind farms. The Met Center is piloting this, expecting to add more turbines by 2026. Additionally, Gazelle Wind Power and TugDock offer modular floating platforms, avoiding expensive port modifications, with the first full-scale deployment planned for 2028 in the Adriatic Sea. Lawrence Berkeley National Laboratory is exploring fiber optic sensing for monitoring deep-water turbines, potentially reducing maintenance costs and improving environmental data collection. Exploring Norway's initiatives for sustainable fjord tourism because of face pollution from cruise ships burning heavy bunker oil. In 2017, Carnival emitted nearly 10 times more sulfur oxide in Europe than all cars combined. To combat this, Norway mandates that from 2026, only ships using alternative fuels can enter the fjords. This shift is crucial, as cruise ships account for about 3% of Norway's greenhouse emissions. Norwegian maritime innovation is rising to the challenge, with companies like Ulstein and Hurtigruten retrofitting and developing zero-emission vessels featuring batteries, energy recovery, and AI technology. Hurtigruten, investing €100 million into green upgrades, aims for emission-free operations. Havila Voyages plans a hydrogen-powered fleet by 2030, reducing food waste with a la carte dining. Brim Explorer operates silent, electric fjord tours. Norway demonstrates transitioning from fossil fuels is feasible and sustainable, countering fears of economic downturn due to environmental policies. As we move from the discussion on geoengineering and sustainable tourism to the latest developments in the automotive industry, let's explore how Honda's potential investment in Canada's electric vehicle plant, Subaru's newest release, and Hyundai's award-winning Ioniq 6 all contribute to the evolving landscape of renewable energy and sustainable transportation. Honda Motor Company Limited is reportedly considering an investment of around $18.4 billion to establish an electric vehicle and battery plant in Canada, as revealed by Nikkei Asia. The company is evaluating locations, including near its Alliston, Ontario facility, with a decision expected by year-end. The Canadian government has yet to confirm any discussions, but recognizes the potential investment as evidence of Canada's status as a leader in the electric vehicle market. Canada's commitment to renewable energy and the 2035 mandate for all electric passenger vehicle sales are attractive to Honda. Although Honda has plans for an electric vehicle production shift in Ohio and a battery partnership with LG Energy Solution, it might independently develop the Canadian battery facility. Canada has already attracted significant EV investment, with Stellantis and LG's $5 billion battery plant in Windsor, Volkswagen's battery facility in St. Thomas, and Northvolt's plant near Montreal. The 2024 Subaru Outback remains consistent with last year's model and features. Available in 5 variants, the Outback offers a 2.5-liter non-turbo engine delivering 138 kilowatts, 245 nanometers, with an optional upgrade to a 2.4-liter turbo for sport and touring models, costing an extra $5,000. Both engines utilize a continuously variable transmission and all-wheel drive, with the 2.5-liter engine compatible with 91-octane petrol and the turbo model requiring 95-octane. Standard equipment includes LED headlights, 18-inch wheels, keyless entry, an 11.6-inch touchscreen, and numerous safety features, achieving a 5-star ANCAP rating. The Outback has a spacious boot and offers wireless smartphone features. Pricing starts at $42,690 for the base model, rising to $55,990 for the top-tier Touring XT, excluding on-road costs. The vehicle is now available in showrooms. Highlighting Hyundai's Ioniq 6 takes the top prize in this year's EV showdown, marking another win for the Hyundai Kia Genesis Group in the competitive EV market. Building on the success of the Ioniq 5, the Ioniq 6 distinguishes itself with a striking banana-shaped sedan design that offers a nod to both the Mercedes CLS and the 1930s Stout Scarab. Its impressive aerodynamics are highlighted by a drag coefficient as low as 0.22. Built on the eGMP platform, the Ioniq 6 offers multiple motor configurations, with the dual-motor limited variant achieving a 220-mile highway test range and an EPA rating of 270 miles. Other models boast even higher range estimates, with the single-motor limited projected at 305 miles and the single-motor SE at an astonishing 361 miles, though real-world testing showed 260 miles. With an 800-volt charging architecture, it supports rapid recharging up to 235 kilowatts. Performance-wise, the dual-motor Ioniq 6 reaches 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds, offering a composed ride with excellent cornering stability and customizable regenerative braking. The interior features a thoughtful design and practical storage, despite some material and space compromises. As we wrap up our discussion on the latest developments in the automotive industry, let's now turn our attention to the exciting world of artificial intelligence and how it's reshaping businesses in profound ways. Welcome to our episode, where we're exploring the world of artificial intelligence and its significant influence on the business environment. AI, much like water, is now a ubiquitous element in the corporate world. Every company in some way is integrating AI into their operations. But the burning question is, what can we do now with AI that was truly impossible before? How do we creatively deploy AI to create lasting value for users? To explore this, let's discuss the 5-level AI spectrum, a framework that categorizes companies based on how they integrate AI into their business models. This spectrum ranges from the basic entry-level use of AI in enhancing existing processes to the pinnacle of AI integration, where AI-first ecosystems emerge. Starting at level 1, we see companies using AI to make their workflows and software development more efficient. This is the minimum requirement in today's business environment. Then we move to level 2, where AI acts as a product extension. Companies at this stage already have market traction and use AI to capture large adjacent opportunities. A perfect example is Triple Whale, which integrates AI to secure its product-market fit. Level 3 represents companies that go beyond the first 2 levels by adding a layer of intelligence. These companies often utilize a central algorithm to learn from data generated from their core functions, leading to the creation of additional products based on that learning. AI-based matching in marketplaces is a common feature at this level. At level 4, AI itself becomes the product. This is where AI is used not just for the sake of it, but to effectively solve major problems in existing industries. Examples abound in legal tech, where AI drafts documents and assists in legal cases. This level is ripe for AI leapfrogging, where industries traditionally untouched by cloud or SaaS solutions jump directly to AI-based solutions. Then we have level 5, the most exhilarating frontier of AI integration. Here, everything the company does hinges on generative AI. These are businesses and products that could not have existed without AI. This level is about exploring new markets and products that are currently beyond our imagination. In horizontal markets, we're witnessing the rise of large AI platform companies in sectors like sales, marketing, software development, customer operations, and creative fields. Despite the presence of large incumbents, there are vast opportunities for startups to establish themselves in niche subsectors. One intriguing aspect is AI leapfrogging, particularly in industries that have historically lagged in digitization. These markets, without dominant cloud incumbents, present massive opportunities for transformation through AI. The US legal services and manufacturing markets are prime examples of such potential. Turning to the consumer layer, AI is set to revolutionize this space much like the iPhone did for mobile apps. We anticipate a surge in consumer applications built on AI, creating multi-billion-dollar businesses. Understanding the network effects that underlie tech success is crucial here. When evaluating AI companies, it's vital to look beyond the hype. We seek fast, technically adept teams with unique market insights. The economic moat, clarity of market opportunity, long-term defensibility, fair valuation, and the nature of the product itself are critical factors in our assessment. The AI underground is maturing rapidly. A year into the emergence of generative AI, we're witnessing the early experiments and learning what works. As AI technology improves, this is a pivotal moment for founders to step forward with groundbreaking ideas. It's an exciting era in the world of AI, full of potential and transformative ideas. For those looking to build something enduring and meaningful in this space, the time is now. As we continue to explore and invest in AI-driven opportunities, the possibilities are limitless. Let's embark on this journey together, shaping the future with AI at the forefront. Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of Innovation Pulse. If you enjoyed our insights and are eager to learn more, the Enlighten Me app is just a tap away. Expand your knowledge with personalized content on over 20 diverse topics, from crypto to health and beyond, all curated to fit your interests. Download the Enlighten Me app now at the Apple Store or Google Play, or visit the enlightenme.ai website. Stay curious, stay enlightened.